In this video, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and change your Instagram profile picture. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're tired of your current profile photo and want a new look, here's exactly how you can update it. Begin by opening up Instagram and going to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Up at the top of your profile, you're going to notice an option that says Edit Profile. Simply go ahead and click on that, and then at the top, you'll see another option that says Edit Picture or Avatar. Click on that button and then hit either Take Photo or Choose from Library. In this case, I'm going to just choose from my library, and then I'm going to scroll until I find a picture of something that I want as my new profile picture. We'll do this one, for example. Now you can resize or reposition the photo by pinching, but once you have it the way that you like it, simply go ahead and select Done. But yeah, that's it. Your profile picture is now fully updated. If you have any questions on this process, don't hesitate to ask down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more Instagram tutorials. Have a great day. Bye-bye.